If you feel or look hunched over or your balance feels off, your body is sending you a warning signal you can't afford to ignore. That stiffness when you wake up, that ache in your back, that fear of falling, it's not normal and you don't have to live with it. I've spent the last 25 years proving that you can stand tall, move freely, and feel strong again without relying on medications or invasive treatments, no matter how old you are. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 4-minute routine that can turn your posture, mobility, and balance around. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and here's what's actually happening. Your spine and trunk are supposed to be the foundation of every movement you make. When you bend down, you reach up high, or you stand from a chair, you're relying on that foundation to support you. But when your spine isn't stable or mobile, your body starts making compromises. You start slouching, your mid-back and shoulders round forward, your head shifts forward, and suddenly you're dealing with stiffness when you wake up and during the day. Shaky balance. You notice how much you're hunched over, and you even feel tired every afternoon, ready for a nap. That's why I'm going to show you a simple 4-minute routine for better posture, mobility, and balance to take stress and strain off your body, spine, muscles, and joints. Before we start, here are a few quick guidelines. Number 1, have a wall or something stable nearby that you can grab if you need it, especially for the balance exercises. Number 2, if possible, do these exercises without shoes on. You'll get better stability that way. 3, if anything hurts, stop immediately. A little uncomfortable is okay because you'll be challenging yourself, but it shouldn't be unbearable because of pain. And lastly, keep your core engaged during all of these. That means just pulling your belly button toward your spine like you're bracing for someone about to poke you in the stomach. That's going to make everything more effective and stable. Okay, first up, we have the side-to-side bend, and you're going to do this for 30 seconds. You're going to stand tall with your arms down at your side, feet about hip width apart. Now, slowly bend your body to one side. Don't lean forward and don't twist your hips, just a straight side bend. And you should feel a stretch on the opposite side. You're going to hold that for a second, then come back up and bend to the other side. Keep going back and forth in a nice controlled motion for 30 seconds. Now remember, no twisting, no bending forward, just straight side to side, and keep the hips stable and facing forward. Next is neck flexion and extension, and we're going to do this for 30 seconds. You can sit or stand for this one, whatever is most comfortable. Just make sure you've got good posture and your core is engaged. You're going to slowly start by lowering your chin down towards your chest. Hold that for 2 seconds. Now lift your head up and gently tilt it back. Hold that for 2 seconds. Then come back to neutral and repeat that motion. If you want to add some resistance, just put your hands on the back of your head. But here's what I want you to do. You're only using your hands to add resistance when you're tilting your head back into extension. Don't push your head down forward when you're in deflection. The resistance is just for the extension part. All right, now the next one is single leg balance, and you're aiming for 30 seconds on each leg. Now stand near a wall or stable surface like we talked about, you might need it. Your arms are going to be down at your side, and you're going to lift one leg up so your knee comes about to hip height. If you can't lift it that high, don't worry. Just lift it to where it's comfortable. You're going to stand on that foot, on the opposite foot, and hold your balance. Keep your eyes open for this. Hold this for 30 seconds and then switch legs. Once you get really good at this and you can hold it steady for 30 seconds, you can progress to the harder version, which is incorporating head turns. You're going to just get in that same single leg position. And once you're balanced, you're going to slowly turn your head to one side, then slowly to the other side. And you're just going to keep doing those head turns for 30 seconds on each leg. But don't rush into that progression. Make sure you've got solid, stable balance first with just your eyes open. All right, next is the long lunge stance. It's 30 seconds on each side. You're going to start standing with your feet together, but you're going to step one foot far forward into a lunge position. Keep your trunk straight. Don't lean forward with this. With your front leg stable, I want you to contract your back hip and glute and straighten that back knee. So you're envisioning trying to bring your back heel towards the ground. You should feel a stretch in the front of your back hip and thigh with that front leg staying stable. Hold this position for 30 seconds and then switch sides. Now with this, keep both feet pointing straight ahead. Now, if it's too hard and your balance isn't good enough, widen your stance by moving your feet farther apart side to side. And if you want to make it harder, just take a longer lunge step. Now this one I call air angels, and you're going to do this for 30 seconds. And you can sit or stand for this. Just make sure you're sitting or standing up tall when you do it. Bend your elbows to 90 degrees, keeping them below shoulder level. Turn your palms so they're facing forward, and you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together, keeping them down and back. Keep your neck and spine neutral and slide your arms upward while trying to continue to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Reach as high as you can while keeping that good posture. Then slowly bring your arms back down to the starting position. Keep repeating that movement for 30 seconds. Focus on really squeezing those shoulder blades together. Don't let your posture collapse as you reach up. This last one is good mornings, and it's also called a hip hinge. And you're going to do this for 30 seconds. You're going to stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width with a soft bend in your knees. Now here's the key to this movement. You're going to push your hips backward first. Don't bend or lead with your knees. Push your butt back. Keep your spine neutral and the arch in your low back. Keep your shoulders over your toes as you go down. Keep weight on your midfoot and heels. You should actually even be able to lift your toes if you wanted to. You should feel a stretch in your hamstrings, which is the back of your thighs. You're going to then stand up by driving through your hips and glutes. Keep repeating that with a smooth, controlled pace for 30 seconds. Remember, hips back first. You're hinging at the hips, not doing a squat with your knees. Don't round your back and don't let your head shift forward. There you go. That's your complete 4-minute routine. 6 exercises, 30 seconds each. Do this every day and you're going to notice a real difference in how your back feels, how your posture looks, and how steady you feel on your feet. And if you want more guidance on this or want to dive deeper into what your specific body needs, click that first link in the description and you can book a free virtual house call with me no matter where you are in the world, and I can help you be your own guarantee for your health and your life.